Let's change the conversation.
How about some tomato potato soup?
Tomato potato soup? That sounds delicious. I love tomatoes and potatoes.
Are there any potatoes on the shelf?
Yes, there are.
And do we have any tomatoes?
I'm not sure. I'll check.
Now, let's change the conversation again. Don't stop. Talk about what you need, want, have, and like. Say as much as you can.
How about some stuffed peppers?
Stuffed peppers? That sounds delicious. I love peppers.
Are there any peppers in the fridge?
I don't know. I'll check. Yes, there are.
And how about onions? Do we have any onions?
No, we don't. Are there onions in the stuffed peppers?
Yes, there are.
Well, I don't like onions.
Uh-oh. Well, how about a fruit salad? We have apples, bananas, and oranges.
Sounds nice.